Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I wanted to share some of my home decor stash. This little floral arrangement is all Dollar Tree except for the ribbon, this red ribbon here, and that heart is from Walmart. It has that texture on there. So this I created last year for Valentine's Day. This is the front. I made a big loopy bow, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put this where I want it, and it goes, I'm gonna put it right here. This is my front entry shelf. That one used to be full of the Christmas florals that I had, so I'm gonna put this up here right there, and I'm gonna take this and use it in another spot. So that is going to be a part of my stash also. So now I have these two containers for Valentine's Day. It has, let me just bring this up. So this little Sterilite container has some of my decorations from last year. So I made this last year, and this is a Dollar Tree banner. You can see the back. It did not have the pom-poms. I added the pom-poms, and I added the black ribbon. This is from Dollar Tree, the ribbon. And then all of this is from Dollar Tree. This is stickers. The stickers are from Dollar Tree. And these thick foam stickers right here are from Walmart, the really thick ones. And these stickers, the pink and this red, are from Dollar Tree. So all of that is a Dollar Tree majority decoration. And this is cute, but you know, it's not personalized. So even though, yeah, anyway, so I'm just gonna take that and go ahead and put it up behind my bar, which is not centered. We can fix that later. So that goes there. All right. And I have a few of the heart picks. I believe I picked these up 2 years ago. I'm not sure. And I knew I saw the heart from Dollar Tree. I was gonna buy it, but I knew I had a heart already, one of those plastic frames. So this is the one that I have, and this is also from Walmart when they had their Valentine clearance. So that's one of the hearts I could play with. And here's that extra pack of hearts, the red picks. And I believe they have them this year also. And here's the extra love. I almost grabbed one, and then I stopped myself because I was like, let me check my stash. And you can see I have a bunch of florals here that I pop into some of my containers in my home and use, you know, interchangeably. Now this is the Dollar Tree heart that everybody's hauling now, and I covered mine with moss and one of the floral picks heart right here with the tinsel, and those are some Dollar Tree flowers and Dollar Tree baby's breaths. So I think I want him or her here on the bar right there. This I will put away. Okay. Now this is a Walmart purchase that was on clearance. You see how glittery that is. Super cute. I still have not figured a way to put that on something and make it stand out because it is so red and glittery. I will find a way somehow. And this is just a card from my husband. So I had the the love sign, this one right here. this is the first one that I purchased, and I had put some white craft paint, and then I went over the front with the glitter paint, and then that is just some scrapbook paper right here over the O. And I thought that was cute, but I think I will remake that also this year. So for right now, I think we will put this up on my shelf in the entry for now. So as I'm showing you my stash, I think I will just go ahead and place the items that I know I want out this year, and might as well pull them out. So here's a Dollar Tree pillow. This is the red to gold, and I love that. It's super cute. I did not grab any from Dollar Tree this year. I know they have them. I just saw it. And then I have a bunch of the Valentine's Day foam hearts from Walmart. They're the ornaments. I do not hang them in a tree, so yeah. I bought all these Valentine's decorations are all like clearance. So if they're not from Dollar Tree, they're on clearance. This one is from Walmart. And I think I want this guy up here. And this one is light up. So that's what it looks like. And I have that. I think it's been like, I don't know. It's 2 years now with us. 2-3 years. And I also have the heart. So here's the heart that lights up. And I think I want this one down here. And this one lights up too. So it looks like that. Isn't that cute? Why is it not focusing now? There we go. I think because of that light. Okay, back to this container. I crochet, and so here is my stash for so long. I don't know how many years now. I crocheted this heart garland, and they're teeny tiny hearts. It's just to hang. When I had a mantle, I would hang them on the mantle. That's what they would look like, little hearts. And then I also have this string of hearts, and I believe I have more. 1, 2, 3 garlands of hearts, and I used to string them across the mantle because they're all different sizes and different color. And now I don't have a mantle, so we're gonna figure out a way. And then this is just a love banner from Target. This was 2-3 years ago already. All right, and then I just have more of the heart picks, and these I opened, and that's why they're just laying there, because I did open those and use them in my floral decoration. Here's another one from Walmart from the clearance again. And then these little bundles here are just from the vases when I used to, or when I change out my flowers for the season. This is a cookie tin that I just put some craft paper over to cover the Christmas on there. And then I used the Dollar Tree stickers, and I think I have to put some hot glue on that. Yep, I do, because the sticky is not there anymore. But yes, I had a floral arrangement in this container also. And then this is from Dollar Tree? No, Walmart. And it was $2.84, but I got this, whoops. I got that on clearance, and it has that gold foil. That all that you do, be in love. I love that. So let's take this, and I'm gonna hang it or put it up somewhere. I'll have to find a spot because there's no good spot for it right now, but I want to put it out. I want to put it out so that I know that that's what I have. All right. I do have placemats from Dollar Tree down here. It has those red hearts with the glitter edge. And I have 6 of them, but I'm not going to pull those out today. I also have some chalkboards. When we used to live near a Target, like when I used to be close to one, I used to go there and check out their dollar spot. And this was one of the items that I had from that dollar spot. It's a little chalkboard. And I wrote on there, I love you today, I love you tomorrow, I love you forever and always. And then I put mommy. All right, because I love decorating, and I mostly decorate just because of my kids. And this is a Dollar Tree sign. It's a love each moment. I left the front plain. I didn't do anything to it. Just making a mess. And this is just a scrapbook page from my paper collection. I don't remember what collection this is, but I love the purples in this love photo or sign. And I want to put that right there. Okay. Yeah, I have a lot of florals. I love flowers. And then these are just the Valentine window clings. I picked these up at Walmart also on the clearance when the season was over. I don't know if I'll be putting these up this year, but yeah, that's what I have in there. And then I have the 2 Dollar Tree mailboxes. Oh yes, garland and another banner. This one says welcome, but I think I'm going to change that to something else. And then this is just garland, Dollar Tree garland. Okay, so I'm going to put this out also, and I think I will change the cover on this one because, you know, robots are over. It is cute, but I want to change things up a little bit. And then here's another mailbox. Oh, this one is empty. I didn't even store anything in it. And I think I'll put this here too. I still have the bottom shelf, so I'm going to do that next time. So that is it for this box. And then this container, I just have more of my florals that I want to get to use this year. And put them out. Look at this. This is last year's. This is cherry blossoms and wildflowers. So I want to use those. I got some lavender here and some more of that baby's breath. And then here are some of the orchids. And then I have hibiscus. So the rest in here are for Easter, so I'm not going to share that right now. But that is it for now. And I will come back and share with you where I put everything and what everything looks like. Okay?